Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Here we're going to look at some mental health tips and strategies for your life. First off, practice forgiveness. Let it go. Don't dwell on the past. The best revenge is truly living well. The next strategy is journaling, which is quite therapeutic. Write your thoughts and feelings down on a piece of paper. You may not want to tell your thoughts to others. This way, keep it to yourself. Put down the smartphone and lay off all social media that goes along with it. Life isn't about likes. Continuing, take a short vacation, and an inexpensive vacation at that. We often get too wrapped up in the grind of day-to-day work, making money. Breaks can be very useful. The next tip may sound a little out of the blue. Omega-3 specifically are the major building blocks of the brain, and research shows improve mental health. At the end of the day, we only have that which we give. Volunteering your time help counteract the effects of stress, anger, jealousy, and anxiety. It's important to treat yourself every once in a while. Rewarding yourself in the moment will elicit positive effects from the brain and make connections between goals and achievements. Exercise improves mental health by reducing anxiety and depression, while at the same time improving cognitive function and self-esteem. Just as exercise is vital, so is a balanced diet. What we eat doesn't just affect our physical health, but also our mental health. Next, spend more time with your friends and family, and again, I don't mean going on Facebook. Human beings are social creatures by nature. Spending time with loved ones can lead to a full life. Certain vices, such as smoking, excessive drinking, and gambling, can destroy our lives, and subsequently our mental health. Be careful not to get addicted. Having envy and becoming jealous are part of human nature. Jealousy and envy are often driven by poor self-image. We combat jealousy and envy by focusing on ourselves. If you're doing well in life and your mental health is in jeopardy, it's time to ask for help. Help can be from a therapist or a doctor, or even just talking to a friend about your problems. Meditation is great for mental health. Meditation can give people a sense of calm. It aims to bring peace and balance to a person's life. Smiling releases mood-elevating endorphins and other natural painkillers such as serotonin. So smile. Sunshine also boosts the chemical serotonin in the brain, which will bring additional energy and a calming experience. A seasonal affective disorder is caused when depression occurs from lack of sunshine. If we don't get good sleep, we will not only be tired, but also cranky. And the bottom line is, the brain cannot function properly without the right amount of sleep. Sleep improves mental health. And the last strategy is to be honest. When you create a lie, your brain goes into a state of anxiety and mental stress because the brain knows the statement is not true. There's a disconnect. Anyway, right now I want to thank you for this time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button, share, and check the description for some resources as well. You guys have a great, blessed day.